Hey y'all, how you doing? Mike here, Blueface Plus. Just gonna go ahead and do some unboxing in the boat. We're gonna replace the CD player, the two 6x9s. So we got this Pile marine stereo, wireless Bluetooth streaming. I'll replace the old one with it. Let's see what we get in here. We get the remote installation kit. Couple harnesses with the power, and then your speakers. We're going to have two of these capped off because we're only feeding two of them. This is 75 by 4. So put that over here. Pretty cheap little stereo. I think it was like $100 and something bucks for the kit. Nice little screen on it, USB, so we'll be using that, auxiliary, plug. So also what's cool with this kit, you get that, you also get face cover. So it comes with a seal cover, so that way once we install that in the boat, completely enclosed, water protected. Have to go out, uninstall the one out there. Also got some marine grade speaker wire. We even threw in this little antenna, so we'll take a look at that too. So we got ourselves 6x9s. Alright, so there's that. Got all we got from there. Alright, let's see what these are. 200 watts. Alright, I know, there's tons of good brands out there. I just went for something cheap, honestly, with the boats now. It's nice to use a little Bluetooth JBL portable speaker, but this boat already has 6x9s on there. So 200 watt max, 500 watt RMS, good old made in China. Woo. High performance. So, but yeah, these covers just pop off, so we'll go out to the boat in a little bit and start installing that stuff, and we'll get this stuff all installed. But I wanted to start pre-wiring some of this stuff. So this looks like our power wire. So our power is snap in. We should already have 12 volts. So, and then this is for the speaker. So I'm gonna go ahead and inside probably run new speaker to each location, pre-wire them in the house. That way when I go out to the boat, it makes it that much easier. So stay tuned and see how that all goes. Alright, so we already hooked up the wires. We're going to use the front right and the front left. So the front left's here, the front right's here. So you're going to have gray and black for the front right, and then white and black for the front left. We're going to go ahead and heat these up, heat shrink those, and then we got ours for the speakers all ready to go, heat shrink those, and then we'll go out and install this in the boat. We hook the antenna up. Looks like this can be connected to an antenna. Just going to see if that picks up anything for now. And we're going to cap off these other wires. Black's ground, accessory, and yellow's power. So we're going to go and just match those up with the ones in the boat, and see if we can get this thing hooked up. Alrighty guys, here's the old JBLs. Take the 4 screws out, those will pop out. I know, here's the faceplate. Took out all these screws here. Went inside there, bent the tabs back, took down the strap. Ainsley girl. So, look at that, huh? What's that? So, I'm going to go ahead and get this all disconnected. Alrighty guys, that was for the old speakers. We're just capping that. The black, we're going to hook the ground up. The yellow, the power. We're going to slide the new one in. We're going to run the 2 new wires, front right, front left over there. So I'm going to go ahead and splice this up and then try to get this face all installed. Alright, we were able to reuse 1 hole, but we had to drill 4 new ones. These can just clip right in. Probably do this with 1 hand. But anyway, let's pop on. CD player's installed. Just got to pull this one out, hook my wires up, tighten them all up.